Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you a unique A template. So this template will be very helpful for you to check the quality of your research paper before submitting into journal. So if you are struggling to analyze your quality of your research paper after complete preparing your research paper, so this template will be very useful for you. This template will analyze your research paper and it will provide the quality suggestions to improve the research paper, and also you can add that respective contents or add that respective ideas in your research paper to enhance the quality of your research paper. That will lead to your paper get published in journal. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI template and how you can use that AI template to improve the quality of your research paper. So for that, first go to lmssolution.net.in. So in this LMS solution, so you will find an option called LMS-AA. You can just click on this LMS-AA. In this LMS-AA, you will be having different kinds of LMS-AA templates. All these LMS-AA templates are designed especially for research paper writing. So in this video, I am going to show you an AA template called Manuscript Check. So just click on the option called Manuscript Check. This leads to a dashboard like this here. Journal Submission Check. So here you have to choose your file. Before uploading your file, make that file as a PDF. So I am having my file as a PDF. So I am going to upload the PDF file I have saved. So here this is the PDF file. I have prepared file. So after uploading your file, just click on the option called Manuscript. Automatically that the number of pages will be calculated. So after that, it will just analyze that manuscript. Why this template is that, so many of our fellow researchers are asking, so how to check the quality of our research paper. So this will lead to help you to check the quality as well as to improve the respective flaws find in your research paper. So here you can see that these are the submission check updated. This is the title of the paper. So here you can see for grammar it will be pass. So every that is respective criterias have some the constraints. So based upon that constraints, it will provide pass or fail like that. So here you can see title is fail, brand name pass, structured abstract is failed, references 5 to 150 is failed. Like that, it will provide some suggestions. So after that, the detailed suggestions will be provided. Here you can see the metadata. So the corresponding author emails present, failed, author listed, failed, affiliations failed. Like that, it will give. So and also what are the citations? The problems with citations also you can check the figures and tables. If you prepare your research paper, you may fail to cite some figures and tables accidentally in some of the papers. This will be very helpful for you to pinpoint which figures you have to cite and which tables you have to cite. Like that, it will provide. So and also by mentioning that figure numbers and table numbers, it will provide. Also the table cited in text also will be provided. So in which tables or which figures you have to include legends, like that also will be provided. So this is the grammar check. Grammar check will be pass, and then this is the structure. So abstract will be failed. So you have to rewrite your abstract. You have to rewrite abstract accordingly to the standards into 250 words by providing the summary of the work you have done. And then title, and then you can see references. This may you can references is depends upon you. So you may add up to that, depends upon your that is type of the paper. So if it is a review paper, so it will need more references. If it is a research paper, so it will need only less references. Based upon the quality of the that is type of the paper, you can choose your references. So next, regarding disclosures, author's contribution statement, conflict of interest statement, data access availability, ethics statement, funding statement, copyright methods. So these are the important points you have to consider while before submitting into any of the journal. This will lead to improve the quality of your research paper. And also, if you accidentally miss something in your research paper to add, this will be very helpful for you to this will help as a reminder to add what are the things you have missed to add in a research paper, like that. So before submitting it to any journal, make use of this LMS-AA template and make a journal submission check. Thereby you can get an idea about how your research paper will be. So and what are the points you have to improve the quality of your research paper. So this is all about this template. As far as plans and pricing is concerned, you can just click on plans and pricing. It leads to a dashboard like this here. Here you can see LMS plans and pricing. So basic plan at just 199. You can access all our LMS tool for 1 month and you can get one plagiarism plus a report per plan. Important thing is that you can get unlimited access to LMS templates for 1 month. So next is the best value pack is 999. You can access all our LMS tool for 1 year and you can get 12 plagiarism plus a report per plan. Important thing is that you can access our course on demand videos and unlimited access to LMS template for 1 year and you can get 12 plagiarism and a report per plan. So this is all about plans and pricing. So select your plans and pricing is wisely. No other AI tools is offering unlimited access to all research paper writing templates or any other writing templates. So make use of this option and make your research paper writing simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.